Hi friends! Welcome to my channel. It's Miss. Today I'm going to show you how to make banana cake. So I have 4 very ripened bananas here. We open them and then cut it. And we're going to use 4 very ripened bananas and make a big cake. Look, this much big. Crazy big. Now I'm going to see the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so you need half a cup of vegetable oil. So this is baking powder and this is baking soda and this is salt. This is cinnamon powder. This is all-purpose flour. This is milk. This is sugar. This is 2 eggs. And this is vanilla essence. So, there's only 3 bananas in this bowl. So I'm going to get the 4th one and open it up, then just break it into pieces, put it in here, and then mush it really good. Oh, there it is. There it goes. Ah! I'm not using the knife anymore. It can be a big piece, but not this big. Because it will be hard to mush this much big. Okay. Let's break. Break one more time. Now we're going to mash the bananas like or whatever this thing makes the sound like. But kids are not allowed to use this because once it's plugged, kids are not supposed to use it, and kids are not supposed to put their fingers here once it's plugged. So I'm going to ask Mama to plug it, and then ask Mama to start mashing. Okay, now we need to take this very soft liquid and put it away for now. Then when we just wait and mix all the rest of the ingredients which we have here together, then we just dump it into the banana liquid. Now I am going to mix these dry ingredients together with this flour here, and all of these ingredients are dry, but the milk is not dry because it is liquid. Liquids are not dry. Okay, let's start off with the baking powder. Let's dump it in. The baking soda. Dump it in. The salt and the cinnamon powder. Let's dump it in. Then mix it up. Okay, now I'm going to give it to Mama. Here you go. Now you mix it because I'm not very good at mixing that. Guys, Mama mixed it really good with the fork. Now we're going to put it away, same like the banana. Okay, now the powders away. We're going to take this and these eggs and crack it open. Then just dump the yolk in the KitchenAid. Ooh! There's an egg bubble. Okay. It really broke. Goo-hoo. Goo. Goo boog. What was that? Ow, but the shell hurt my finger. The yolk ball is stuck in there. I can break it. Okay, let's get the sugar. Dump it in. Woo, so much. Ooh, the sugar steam. I see the sugar steam. I'll have a little punch. Guys, now I'm going to take this and put it on. Okay, now we're going to take this and put that slot right in here, like that. Then lock it up. And now I'm going to raise it up like that. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it on. It's going to be slow first. And one, 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 one. This is really smooth. I'm fluffy. This will take a long time, so fast forward. This is the vegetable oil. We're supposed to put it when this is beating. I'm not really good at this one, so I'm going to put it on start. Whoa, it's pouring in! Drop. Now the egg and the sugar is nice and fluffy with the oil. Now we're going to take this, then the milk. Okay, let's take this first. Woo! Now some milk. Okay, little. Okay, that's enough. Milk. Dump in, stir. Wondering. So this mix is finished. Now we're going to put down all of this banana mix we mushed earlier. Dump it all. Okay, now it's in. Now I'm going to dump it. Then start mixing. Guys, now we have to oil grease the tray. Guys, now it's fully greased. Guys, now we're done greasing it. The tray. Now we're going to put this parchment paper in and just squeeze it down. So we're going to get some oil on it. Mama, can you preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit? Okay. Wait, I'm trying it. Oof. It's coming to me. Woo! Ah. It's coming. Or maybe it's not. Woo. Now we're going to dump this mix. Let's just dump it in. This is the correct size. So the oven is preheated. It's done. Now we're going to put this in the oven and bake it up to 45 minutes. Mama, can you put this in the oven?
Of course.
It's too heavy. Kids are not supposed to play with the stove or the oven when it is on. That's why I asked Mom to put it in the oven. Now we have to wait for 45 minutes. Now I'm going to have my break and play. The cake is ready. Now I'm going to try it. Start cutting from the edge right here. So I'm going to start cutting so we can test it. Okay, so I'm going to pick up this piece and try one piece of this banana cake. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's try. Good. Yummy. I especially like the inside. Good. Guys, you gotta try making banana cake. It's yummy. It's an easy recipe, and if you follow our recipe, it will be yummy like the one I'm eating now. Good. I'm gonna put the recipe down below in the description box. Thank you for watching my channel and videos. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe, like, share. Bye. Banana cake, bye. Banana cake, bye.